How to schedule, estimate quantity and cost of Rafters in Revit. Okay, first let's change the basic roof from basic roof to a slope glazing family. So let's choose the 50 by 200 Rafter tubular. Okay, the Rafter and the purlin is both a slope glazing system family inside the Revit. Okay, so let's create shared type parameter. Then we go to the manage shared parameters, new Rafter cost, type of parameter, currency. Okay, and then okay, then go to project parameters, add, select shared parameter, select the Rafter cost. Okay, check type under identity data, then check the curtain wall mullions. Then okay, create global parameter to assign in our Rafter cost parameter. So we go to global parameter, create new, name it Rafter cost, type of parameter, currency, identity data. Okay, let's put price, say 1,200, apply. Okay, then assign Rafter cost from global parameter into curtain wall mullions. Okay, we select the Rafter, click tab to select. Okay, then we go to edit type, check Rafter cost. Okay, pick Rafter cost. Okay, now we have the price inside the after that, create schedule quantities for curtain wall mullions under schedule tab. Go to the view, schedule quantities, then new construction, select curtain wall mullions. Okay, then insert the type, the length, and the Rafter cost. Okay, then add calculated parameter and name it quantity. So the unit is 6 meter per piece. Okay, then go to the formula, select length, over 6 open and close parentheses, times 1.05. Note, you need a plus 5% for allowance, which is times 1.05. Okay. Then add calculated parameter and name it total cost. Okay. Total cost. And the formula is peak quantity times Rafter cost. Okay. Then okay, go to the sorting and grouping, check grand totals, formatting, total cost, alignment, right, check field format. Okay, make it currency, 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay, calculation totals, Rafter cost, alignment, right, field format. Okay, then quantity, alignment, right, field format, uncheck, fix 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay, calculate totals, then length, alignment, right, field format. Okay, then calculate totals. Appearance, uncheck blank row before data. Formatting, sorting. Okay, then we have the schedule, we have the type, the length, quantity, and the Rafter cost. Okay, we have the purlins inside the schedule. Okay, let's check the fields, the 3D. Okay, we have the purlins. Let's check back the schedule. We can filter this. Okay, but the type is missing inside the selection, but we can filter this to hide the purlin. Okay, check sorting, filter. There's no type parameter inside the selection. Okay, then go to the 3D view. For now, we hide the group. We change it to generic 100 mm. And let's go back to the schedule. Now we have only the Rafter inside the schedule. Let's change the price. Let's say 1,400. Apply. Okay. Okay, now we have the quantity, total quantity, and the total cost. Okay, thank you.